Hi everyone, welcome to Brain Bulb. In this channel, we'll be trying to learn science in a more efficient and an innovative way by using diagrams as a mode of explanation. So in this video, we'll be learning how to draw the human eye along with labels of its parts. Okay, so before we start, I have a couple of instructions. One is I will be turning around and facing the board. So when I'm facing the board, I will be talking each of the steps so you can follow. Another thing is that every time I say that we are drawing a layer, that means that you have to draw two lines parallel to each other. That's what a layer means. Okay, so that is the two things that I want to say. Now let's start with drawing the eye. To draw the eye, we have two layers which are circular. Okay, so you have to start off by drawing a rough circle. This circle you will erase later, so don't worry about that a lot. Then after that, you have to start drawing two layers. So the first layer is going to look like this. So I'm going to draw a layer like this, but this just means these two are equal. Okay, so I'll just go on. So we have two layers. You start from here, okay, and they are somewhat circular, but don't finish the circle yet because we'll be taking a small detour, a small bulge of sorts, and this is your first layer. The second layer is going to come right below this one. So follow along the same layer that you've already drawn, but you take a small detour like this. This was outward, this is going to be inward. So if this is your outermost layer that we drew first, your second layer should go like this. So there is a V that is forming. Okay, so let's do the same thing at the bottom. Draw another layer along the first one. And the place where it bulges, that place you take a small detour. Okay, so in the section that you have taken a detour, in this area, draw many lines together to make it look like there are fibers in it. Okay, so these fibers are what hold the lens within it. Okay, so the lens is what helps us form an image inside the eye. So we had the outermost layer. The name of this layer is called sclera. This second layer that we drew inside is called the choroid. The choroid holds the lens while the sclera bulges outside. Okay, so we have two more detailings to add to this before we finish the final picture. So one detail is that you have another layer in this place. Okay, and this layer has a gap in between. Okay, so that is the hole. So you have the iris and the pupil layer in between the outermost sclera and the innermost lens over here in this picture for now. Okay, so this is the iris, the hole is the pupil. Okay, so The next detail, this was one detail that I told you. The next one is the retina. So the retina layer is not a complete circle, so you can draw it halfway. Okay, and the retina has a lot of nerves. Okay, and whatever image is being formed in the lens, that falls on the retina. So the retina is like a screen where the image is captured. So over here we have a lot of nerves which join together to form the optic nerve in this place. Okay, and there are a lot of liquid inside the eye. So that liquid over here in this place is called as the vitreous humor. Liquid in this place, that is between your iris and the sclera outside. So that layer has liquid which is called as aqueous humor. Okay, so now we'll have the final detailing. Okay, so if you want, if you've drawn a very big diagram and you have a lot of space, then in that case you can draw some blood vessels. Okay, and draw a parallel line along with the optic nerve. And then we have the cornea. Okay, so along the bulge, just draw one more bulge along it, just with a little bit gap. Okay, so here you will have your eyelids. You can draw some eyelashes if you want. Okay, so that is over. If you want, you can, I'll just give you like a highlight between these two. I don't know if that is visible. Okay, and now I'll just orally I'll tell you what are the labelings and I will draw only abbreviations of them. Okay, so now let's just do the labelings. So outermost one, I told you, it's called sclera. Okay, then what else? The next layer is called the choroid. Then we have the retina. Okay, and all the nerves from the retina join together to form an optic nerve. All the liquid in this layer is called as vitreous humor, that is VH. Okay, so we're done with this portion. Now let's move on to this side. Okay, we have the lens, iris, which is the layer. The whole is called the pupil. Okay, and the extra outer covering outside sclera is your cornea. Okay, so I've given CH over here, and this is cornea. Then you have your eyelashes. I'm not going to label that. Okay, and that completes your structure of the human eye. So we're done with drawing the eye diagram, and we have also labeled its main parts. As you go on reading and studying more in detail, you will have finer points on this diagram, like rods and cones. Okay, so all of that will come with more study of anatomy. If you have any other questions that you want to ask me, any doubts regarding the diagram of the eye, or if you're finding any diagram difficult to draw and you would like a tutorial something like this along with the steps and the labelings, then just comment in the section below and let me know, and I'll make sure that I will help you out. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope this really helped, and happy learning.